What if every single lead that hit your website at 2 a.m. got an instant intelligent reply without you lifting a finger? I built an AI chatbot inside GoHighLevel in under 5 minutes, and by the end of this video, you'll have one running on your site too. Look, if you're still relying on contact forms and hoping people wait around for you to reply the next morning, you're losing money. Every hour you don't respond, the chance of converting that lead drops off a cliff. GoHighLevel's Conversation AI fixes that completely. It handles inquiries, books appointments, answers FAQs, all while you sleep. I'm going to walk you through the entire setup right now. No fluff, no filler. Let's get into it. First things first, jump into your GoHighLevel account. On the left sidebar, go to settings, then scroll down until you see Conversation AI. Click into that. This is where all the magic happens. You've got a few options here. You can set up a bot for your website, chat widget, for SMS, for Facebook Messenger, even Instagram DMs. Today, we're building one for the website widget because that's where most of the money is. Hit Create Bot up in the top right corner. Yeah, give it a name. I'm calling mine 24/7 lead bot because that's exactly what it does. For the channel, select web chat. Now you'll see the bot builder open up, and this is dead simple. And there are two main things we need to do: train it and set the behavior. Training is what makes it smart. Behavior is what tells it how to act. Click on the training tab. This is where you feed the bot everything it needs to know about your business. You've got 3 ways to do it. First, type in a business description. Keep it tight, what you do, where you operate, your hours, your main services. Something like, we're a plumbing company servicing the Greater Brisbane area. We handle emergency call-outs, hot water systems, block drains, and general maintenance. We're open 7 days. Second, you can add FAQ pairs. Click Add FAQ and type in common questions your customers ask. Things like, how much does a call-out cost? Or do you work weekends? Put the answer right underneath. Add as many as you want. The more you feed it, the smarter it gets. Third, and this is a ripper, you can paste in your website URL and it'll crawl the whole thing and learn from your existing content. And if you've already got a decent website with service pages, this alone will get you 80% of the way there. I'm going to add my URL now and let it crawl. You can see it's pulled in all my service pages, my about page, even my pricing info. Absolute gold. That took about 30 seconds. And now this bot knows my business better than most of my staff. Now jump over to the behavior tab. This is where you tell the bot how to act. You've got a system prompt at the top. Think of this as the bot's personality instructions. I usually write something like, you are a friendly professional assistant for a plumbing company. Be helpful and concise. If someone wants to book a job, collect their name, phone number, address, and the issue they're having. If you don't know the answer, say you'll get a team member to follow up. Below that, you'll see the option to enable appointment booking. Toggle that on if you want the bot to actually book people into your calendar. It connects straight to your GHL calendar. Absolute game changer. You can also set escalation rules. So if someone asks something the bot can't handle, it automatically notifies you or assigns it to a team member. Set that up so nothing falls through the cracks. Before we go live, let's test it. Hit the test button in the top right. I'm going to pretend I'm a customer. I'll type, hey, do you guys fix leaking taps? And watch. There it is. The bot's responded with the right info. It's mentioned our service area and it's asked if I'd like to book an appointment. Let me say yes. Now it's asking for my name, phone number, and address. I'll fill those in. And done. It's booked the appointment straight into the calendar. That whole interaction took maybe 40 seconds and I didn't have to do a thing. That lead would have been gone if it was a contact form at midnight. Last step, getting it on your website. Go to sites in the left sidebar, then chat widget. You'll see the customization options. Change the colors to match your brand. Set a welcome message. Choose the avatar. When you're happy with it, grab the embed code. It's just a little snippet of JavaScript. Paste that into the header or footer of your website. If you're using a GHL funnel or website, it's already built in. Just toggle it on. Actually, refresh your site, and there it is. Your AI chatbot, live, ready to capture leads 24/7. So just to recap, you've now got an AI chatbot that knows your business inside and out, responds to every single website visitor instantly, books appointments while you sleep, and escalates anything it can't handle. 5 minutes of setup for something that'll work for you around the clock. If you want to try this yourself, I've got a link in the description below where you can grab a free trial of GoHighLevel. You get the full platform, CRM, website builder, automations, and this AI chatbot feature all included. It's the same platform I use to run everything, and honestly, it's the best value in the game right now. Links right there in the description. If you got value from this, hit subscribe. I drop a new GHL tutorial every single day. See you in the next one.